Hi viewers, welcome to the new session of our guest Chaitanya Chaitanya Logishetty. Of course, most of my students are coming over, and further definitely I plan for different speakers, and let us take our speakers only because there are many speakers from our student circle. So that just I am taking all
Mm.
my students who are very good at speaking. So here Chaitanya Logishetty, who's finished her engineering from the branch Electronics and Communications in the 2019. So as she is one of the brilliant students, of course obedient. These are all common. Of course, as I tell you that she is very good at everything. Even she is very good singer too. And yeah. That so because of the extracurricular activities and the curricular activities balanced equally, at last she was placed in the campus recruitment of BV Raj Institute of Technology on campus interview only. So this is one of the achievements we can say because most of the people today are afraid of losing jobs maybe or anything like. But Chaitanya is one of the personalities who has commitment towards work because her work definitely satisfies most of the right people and the higher authority too. She had course also took a Pega course in BTech, Pega course which is helpful her and joining after that Instant Technologies as intern, Instant Technologies as internship in Pega domain itself. Whatever she had taken the coaching, so in that domain itself she joined in Instant Technologies after internship. Now she has become software engineer. We can say NIIT. NIIT was the name, but it is renamed as Coforge DPA, which is Digital Marketing Technologies and all. So, which is really one of the different domains we can say digital marketing technology, which is the core branch of engineering of electronics and communications. That today we have Chaitanya Logishetty with us to give our inputs and any the inspiring kind of turning points in our life and how she prepared for and any kind of things which are helpful for further coming generations and other students too. Uh, Chaitanya, welcome to BSP Voice.
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
How are you? How are you?
Actually, after the call, that fine, fine, sir.
Hmm.
Fine. How are you?
Fine, thank you so much.
Actually, yeah. Actually, after the call of us the other day, I just
Hmm.
sat down and thought, like, I've never sat down and thought what I've done all this in my journey till now. But when you said, right, you have to talk about your journey and all, I just sat there and I was thinking, like, I did not have a plan from starting, right? It did not happen as per the plan which I've planned.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, after 10th, I thought, yeah, after 10th, I thought I will take up BPC. I was
This
interested.
this is called unplanned plan.
Yes, yes. Yeah, by PC, and as uh, every parent takes care of the child.
Hmm.
My parents also took me to for counseling with other doctors, which we
Yeah.
have in our family,
Yes,
and
yes.
they have given the pros and cons of taking that stream. Exactly, most of them are cons itself because it's a very long process, not like engineering, like you'll complete it in 4 years and you'll get a job, like you will have security. But in BPC, it's tough out there. So after a lot of counseling, I took MPC, which is not as planned.
Hmm.
And in intermediate is a complete nightmare for me because
Oh,
I did not understand what's going on there. Till 10th, everywhere we were very protected in a family or at a school. But in intermediate, like there are thousands of people sitting in one class and those daunting buildings like without ventilation. There used to be without
yeah.
ventilation. It used to be like dark room
Most of inter
and
colleges are like that.
uh, yeah and that intermediate, like it changed me so much that I lost my confidence which I had in 10th.
Okay.
But anyhow I completed that MPC and came into engineering. And engineering also I wanted to take ECE, sorry, CSE. I wanted to take CSE,
Yes, yes, yes.
but I got a seat in ECE. This is also not as planned.
Okay.
Yeah, and after coming to college, we saw in cinemas, right? This engineering would be like this and like that. There's
Yeah.
nothing like that.
Happy days.
So, no, we'll get, no, don't watch Happy Days.
Okay.
Yeah, I suggest that don't watch Happy Days because, yeah, in French, yeah, it's like the real problems which engineer faces that is not shown in the movie. It's just like you come, you enjoy, and you go. Yeah, enjoyment is part, but the real struggle is in this. There are many struggles that which are not shown in that movie. So yeah, that there were many struggles, but I completed BTech. Then job. I took up Pega in
Can you give some examples of
yeah.
your struggles? How did you
Uh,
overcome it, and how did you chase them?
hmm.
Hmm.
The main problem is that first when I started in 10th in first to 10th till third I had a ICSC background, and fourth I studied in Maharashtra.
Okay.
Okay, the language problem there. I know Hindi. I can understand Hindi.
Okay.
They'll talk in Marathi, but in school for my purpose they speak in Hindi. I used to understand, but I used to not speak. And for the first test, I remember in Marathi I got
Hmm.
zero marks in Marathi.
You don't
And
know that.
no, I don't know Marathi. That is very tough, sir. Actually, compared to Hindi, Marathi is tough to learn or to speak.
Hmm.
So the first test it was in Marathi. I failed in that subject, but overall I got some sixth rank or something. That means the education there is not so proper. Like here there is so much of competition in our states, but in Maharashtra they give preference to extracurricular activities as well, mostly
Yeah.
extracurricular activities itself.
Yeah.
So my parents, like they are here people, right, in these states. They grew up in these states. They know the importance of education. So I was very poor at maths because of ICSE background. Then we came back to here
Hmm.
from sixth onwards. Here I had Telugu problem because from first to fifth, Telugu was my third language. So there's something the basic I know, but the sentences I don't know, sandulu, samasalu,
Yeah. The
something used to come.
grammar part,
Grammar
Vyakaranam.
part, yeah, it was tough for me, but I somehow cope up with that. And math in intermediate also, I was very weak in physics. Now also, I don't know how people are happy when people say I like physics. I look at them like that. Yeah, you are great. You are great. Really, if you
Yeah.
like physics because
That
it's
typical minded.
yeah, it's very calculative. Yeah, maths. If you know maths, if you are perfect in maths, you'll get physics for
Yes.
100% because both are interrelated. I
Yeah.
was not good at maths. Now also, like in till inter to BTech also I used to be good. Like if you give a problem, I can solve the problem. But now I don't know. I can't calculate the little mathematical things also.
Hmm.
And in engineering, the main problem I face is with this only. Like firstly, when I was in first year is like basic subjects, right? Math, physics, and chemistry. Okay, somehow we got passed through it. But in second year, the core subject starts, and I was very confused to what to take up, like core job or IT job,
Hmm.
because the EC people being in EC, there are so many debates going on, like why should you not take core jobs? Why do you go to IT?
IT,
That was
yes.
the main struggle. Yeah, I faced like till in second year, I was adamant that I should do core job only.
Hmm.
Then slowly I got realized that core chances are very less.
Yeah, companies
If
are very less, comparatively.
companies are very less, yeah. But I was interested in core itself, but somehow I realized that yeah, first after engineering I should have something like a job. So if I am adamant like I want this only, that could not happen.
Hmm.
So I took up Pega there. And in Pega, um, I should not say this, but the branch EC branch was not very supportive of taking that
Pega,
Pega.
Pega course. Okay.
Not many people. Like I should not say this, but some were very supportive. But they're like the core companies did not allow us to take up core companies. The
Hmm.
first core company which visited our campus, we are not eligible to take up that because we took up
Wha-
Pega.
Oh, they.
Yeah.
Why so
Yeah,
like
I'm
that?
not.
You can take any one of the whichever the salary is better. Like.
No, Pega. Like it was that we like I know we have struggled a lot in like as 6 members. We are 6 members friends. Sir Sushma, Harika, we all girls.
Hmm.
We struggled a lot because we took up Pega. In EC department, there is a lot of misunderstandings which happened because of this. And yeah, that time I used to think that what if I don't get a job in Pega? What if they don't allow us? We are not allowed for day one company also,
Oh.
Capgemini. But the fortunate thing, what happened to me, only for me, is I
Oh,
got placed in first Pega company which has come to college.
okay. Great.
Incessant
Congratulations.
was the first company. Yeah, I got placed. But I know my friends who struggled a lot.
Hmm.
Everyone took 4 companies, 5 companies. They used to not allow here. And many people, after taking a Pega, after going into that companies also, were released like in TechM, one
Hmm.
company.
Tech
I
Mahindra. Tech
I should
Mahindra.
name Tech Mahindra. Yeah,
Yeah.
they took Pega people 24. They took for internship, same like me,
Yes.
but they did not give offer letters. So everyone have to go through offline. What is
Oh.
the use of campus selections then?
Some of
Because in camp,
some of the students might have
yeah.
faced. I think some of the students,
Yes,
especially
some
from.
some some students.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. This Pega students I'm talking about, not the other students. Other students were allowed. They're well settled, but we faced a lot of struggle. That is the main struggle I faced in fourth year. I don't know if I have to continue taking up Pega, if I have to go to core jobs, or if I have to give the interviews to other companies other than Pega.
Hmm.
This is I was fortunate enough that I got placed in first company, or else, but that was, I think that is also like a back, like something that, like I got placed in first company, right? I don't have much experience as my friends because they attended 4 to 5 companies.
Hmm.
They know that what people will ask. I face only one company. Now I don't know if that is a good point or bad point, but yeah, that was
Yeah,
the
it is.
main
It is your
struggle we
agony.
faced.
It's your agony. No problem with that.
Yeah,
What's there? People come to know that what's happening around it.
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. Yeah, that was the main thing. Yeah, but now when I sit and think, if if I get one more chance, I will continue in the same path itself. What
Oh,
I've taken. Yeah, definitely. Because now I'm happy with what I am.
yes.
But if I take other chance, right, I don't know what else is there in that path.
Yes.
Because we human beings will not be
Yeah,
satisfied with
satisfied. Yes.
one chance.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
That's right.
even if any chance I get, second or third, I would be wanting more of it to compensate. So I'm happy with what I am now because my parents
Satisfaction.
were very supportive.
Yes.
Yeah, my parents are very happy with me right now, really, because they have these many years they have spent on me, and I remember the first 10th standard when I passed, my father had a happy tears. He said, I have
Yeah.
lifted you with these hands, and you are in this position right now. Because for my father to reach my position, it took many years for him.
Yes.
Because at that time, jobs were
Very
not
less.
like
Less
if you,
salaries. Less
yeah,
salaries.
yes, very less salary.
Even
At my
even
age,
when I started working, my first salary was
hmm,
1800. You know,
yeah,
1800,
yeah,
1800 to
hmm,
5000. Then 1000. It started like that. Now it's not like that.
yeah,
Opportunities are more
yeah,
different
yeah,
circumstances.
yes, yes. So yeah, that my parents are very supportive. Like after coming to job, also what happened is we were offered a 6 months of internship first,
Hmm.
but after that they have given us that I will let you be an employee. after 6 months, but that internship extended to 1 year.
Oh,
So I have done internship for 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah, that I was very like what happened. I was happy that I came into the first company, but what happened like but my parents were very supportive, and they are my friends. Like they are not like I am the head of the family. I should only be giving the advices. They used to take my advices and all. Yeah, and yeah, my friends, actually my friends, they supported me a lot. Yeah, I'm very lucky to have that friends actually. Yeah, it's not that I did not quarrel with them. I did not misunderstand. I
Oh,
did not have any misunderstandings or not. But what I felt is you should not blame the person if anything happens. Just blame the situation. If that is not the situation, the person would have not reacted that way.
yeah.
The situation makes a person react in that way, so you have to not hold a grudge for a long period. Yeah,
Okay. There is a small
yeah.
misunderstanding among your friends.
Yeah, there was there was a lot, big misunderstanding in second year and all. We did not talk for months together.
Okay.
Then yeah, it looks so childish now. Now when then I used to think I'm very matured. Okay, I'm doing like this. I'm right. Then now I'm thinking that what we are thinking we are very foolish. Yeah, now
That's
I
a good
realize
situation.
because
Yeah,
it
yeah.
takes
Agree.
it takes a lot for someone to get close, like if someone you can share the things, because nowadays children are not sharing anything with parents and all. First friends, then on social media, then
Yeah,
family
then
gets to know.
family. Family has to come to know through the social media.
Yes, true. So to have a person to share things, so you don't cut, I feel it's not look, like give up on relationships like that, friendship actually so
Mm.
easily.
Because those
Yeah,
social relations are totally damaged.
yeah, yes, yes. If yeah, you have, like I will not be modest in telling that if anything happens between me or some my parents or my friends, I would be the first to go and clarify the things. Just once you try, if you don't get any response, just cut it, but maybe you should give one chance to every
Yes.
person.
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
that's
that is really needed.
so we understand when we accompany the people.
Yes, yes, yeah. The major cha- uh, the thing that makes two persons quarrel or have a misunderstanding is because of the expectations. Like if you see a person or if you meet a person, you create a vision in your mind like this person might be like this, or you expect the person to behave as you are. You
Yeah,
can't
we
expect
should
that.
not expect anyone.
That
Yeah,
never, never. You should not expect. Just accept accept them as they are.
because
Yes.
everyone can't be like you, and
Hmm.
you can't be like them.
Yes, yes. And you don't know what the person has gone through. Like just have some empathy. Like get into that person's shoes and understand what he feels, what you will
That
feel
is
when you are in that place.
empathy.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
That should be there definitely. And the main like we we as human beings want acceptance. Like everyone should accept us.
Yeah.
So you like for acceptance you change a lot. That should not be there. Like you should be
No.
bold enough
Mm.
to say no. If some person is if you're not liking some person, not don't stoop to the level that if the person has to accept you, so you have to change yourself.
That
That
doesn't mean
should
here
not be there.
our individuality is our individuality, but for others' sake,
Yeah,
no
yeah,
need of changing our individuality,
yeah,
right?
yeah, definitely. Yes, yes. And also this we are voicing this we are debating on this equality and all, right, sir? Now
Yeah,
nowadays
yeah.
everyone talks
Yes,
about
yes.
equality, yeah.
Yeah.
But the main reason is that everyone's voice does not count here in this society. There are
Mm.
many differences. If you have an opinion, you will be judged for your opinion. Stop judging. Like we should stop judging first. Like
Yes.
just to know the perspective of the other person and just start thinking. instead of just judging, like she said something on something, on some occasion or some event that is happening, just know their perspective, and if you agree with them, agree, or else just think that it is their perspective. No need to judge. Yeah, I feel that. And what else?
That's great, Indu. That's great.
Yeah, and personally, I used to have the problem, like I was shy till 10th. Shy means everyone used to say that Chaitanya, she sits quietly at that place, she does her work and she goes. But like I think you should mingle with lot of people, then only you'll know how, your side, like how you will behave with different persons. Because till 10th I was with same people, same 98 people who used to go with me to the school, so I used to behave that way. But when I came to BTech, I knew that okay, I can talk, I have a sense of humor, and those are I have just like I have known myself more, because I have been with more number of people. Yeah, knowing more number of people. Yeah, and yeah.
Because pretensions are more, right, more than the reality. Pretensions are
Yes,
more
yes.
than the reality.
Yes, yes. Oh, yeah. And what else?
So
Then,
that's the life actually
yeah.
moving on. Very good indeed. Right. So as you said that, okay, the points where you said that the pega was not allowed for many of. But indeed,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, indeed, actually, in most of the colleges, placements are very less. Our college has more
Yes, yes,
placements.
yes.
More
That year,
placements.
yeah. Our year, it was more, we
Yeah.
had more placements. Yes, yes.
So
That was
our
for sure.
college, because of the management,
Now also it's thriving. Like we get messages every week or 2 week, once for 2 weeks, that if anyone is not placed, please go to this company. They are giving us
yeah, updates.
recommendations.
Still
Yeah,
there.
updates. Yeah.
References are there.
Still,
Because
yeah. From
management
2008.
is very strong, so that
Yeah.
we get many companies and
Yeah, yeah. From 2017 past out, they're trying to accommodate everyone in some of the other places. Yeah.
Yes, great indeed. Vishnu Raju sir has great hold on everything,
Yes,
and
yes,
the
yes,
placement
definitely.
team and others also do very good.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the thing of only the pity is not only in our college, everywhere. The core companies have to come. First of all, core
Yes,
companies. Then
definitely,
if
definitely.
if
Uh,
more
yeah.
core companies come, then there'll be some satisfaction for doing BTech. If
Yes,
easy
yes,
people,
for easy.
if
Yes.
people placed only electronics kind of companies and like, so civil people placed in civil, like, so if this kind of
Yes, yes.
is managed, definitely
Hmm.
our college would be in the national level, number one in national level.
Yes, yes.
So it takes
Yeah, core. But the thing I liked very much about EC department is we have these what do you call special
but
courses which we have to take, like.
mechanical people are placed in core companies. Yeah, mechanical department. The students have been placed in core companies comparatively others. Anyhow, CSC and IT definitely they'll be in core only.
Yeah, yeah.
But mechanical
Yeah,
students,
they have.
yeah, mechanical students got placements in core companies.
Hmm.
Yeah, so it is there somewhat. Okay, if like that, if electronics also
Yeah.
and the others also try like that, would be better. But lakhs of thousands of engineering students are
Yeah.
coming out. So what it will be difficult, and the first priority is to place. After that, we'll see anything like I feel. What do you think of about?
Yes, yes. Anything, any job, you should get placed, because outside the competition. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Uh, in college, the competition is around these 1,000 or 1,500 people. But once you come out, the competition is with lakhs and lakhs
Lakhs,
of
yeah,
people.
that's overall.
So,
That will be
yeah,
difficult. So that we see the competition also. And okay,
yes, yes.
sometimes what we destined also happens. So sometimes
Hmm.
we wish something and we are destined to
Yeah,
do
yeah.
something. Even not only here and there, your case or some other
Yeah,
case or
yeah.
my case.
And we,
Even all over the world, you
hmm,
see 90% of
yeah,
the 90% of the people
hmm,
doing the job without their intention, because
hmm.
how destiny has ruled them.
Yes, yes.
According to the destiny, they are going and doing the job. So that
Hmm.
has become their lovable job.
Yeah, yeah.
They adapted to the job. So most of
Hmm.
90% of the people in the
Yes,
world,
yes.
they do whatever they cherish, they didn't get. So they cherished what they get.
Yes,
That's it.
definitely. Yeah, yeah. And also, yes, yes. And also, the first 5 years or 6 years of your career is the most important period because you learn more in this period only.
Hmm.
Once you go to higher positions, it will be just like giving the work to some juniors or
Yeah,
doing something or the other. You have more responsibilities. Then
more
to
responsible.
concentrate on technical part, you will have many management things to be done. So yeah, the
Exactly.
first project which I have done in my present company,
Hmm.
my lead used to say that only. Yeah, you do whatever you want to do. If you want to learn something, you do it in this 5 to 6 years only. Once
Yeah,
you come to my position, you'll not learn
really.
something new.
We learn
You'll just
everything.
implement what you have learned.
We learn everything
Yeah.
within 10 years of time.
Mm.
The first beginning of to 10 years. So after that, there
Yes,
would not
yes.
be anything to learn. Just updating knowledge only.
Mm.
Just we can update knowledge, not to learn anything. So the 10 years of time, we learn everything. What's what? Everything.
Mm.
The of course
Yes, yes.
corporate etiquettes maybe or social etiquettes and right, many of. Hmm. So
Hmm. Yes.
that's well.
In hello.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. And now if I sit here, I'm sitting here and talking with you, right? There is some other technology which is booming or which is going on. Like you
Hmm.
can't get just be stuck up at one point.
Okay.
Like I got the best career advice. What I have got is I don't know. I don't know if it works or if it is if it is right with every person. But my uncle, he
Hmm.
says like if you are in the same company in the same position for 5 years or within the same company for 5 years, you are not updating yourself because once your knowledge is updated, you don't want to be in the same position or the same company. You just want to expand
Same
your
time.
knowledge
At
or
the same
expand
time.
your career.
Yes.
So
At the same
yeah,
time, there must be opportunities also according to our caliber and knowledge.
yeah.
That's the case because people have become right more intelligent and opportunities are less. Even we are worthy enough
Yes,
and
yes,
we are number one also.
yes.
Sometimes when there are no opportunities, our
Hmm.
knowledge will be wasting it. Whatever we updated is only for our satisfaction.
Hmm.
We do
Every yes.
we do many things for many purposes. But
Hmm.
the knowledge what we gain that is only for our sake. It is not for the
Yes,
people.
yes.
It's not for the people to get satisfied or get into other
Definitely.
companies to be elevated ourselves. So
Yes,
that has
yes.
become like that because of only the competition. That's it. That doesn't mean that here we don't have knowledge. So we have knowledge
Yeah,
and
yeah.
we are number one. We updated everything. But
Hmm.
the thing is only how why can't we get opportunities outside means here less opportunities, more competition.
Hmm.
Even we are we
Yes.
are the best also. Sometimes there will be many things play because in social life many things play the major role
Yes, yes.
to get
Yeah.
opportunities.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. So mainly in this time, like in this pandemic, I know
Pandemic.
in yeah, in this time, my company they are recruiting a lot of people now. That means how many people may have lost the jobs.
Yeah, yeah, they are
Yeah,
small.
many
Yeah,
people left or they
the
left. They lost their jobs.
fourth class, the second class employees and all. They are very
Hmm.
pity there. Okay.
Yes, yes. There is
So
a
there
lot
are,
of.
of course, this is the reason. That's what we have to be happy what we have and try for the best.
Hmm.
That is only the life.
Yes.
We have to be
Yes,
happy what we
definitely.
have and try for the best because
Hmm.
destiny decides where we have to go. But our what we say the trial should not stop. We should not stop our trials. We should not. We should go
Hmm.
on
Hmm.
doing our trials, move on like. But when
Yes, yes.
destiny decides where we have to be, right, reached. So that time
Hmm.
comes. So that we should not leave anything. Don't give up anything
Definitely.
to try. You go on
Hmm.
moving ahead, whatever, update your knowledge and learn new
Yes,
courses
yes.
and know about other opportunities outside and foreign countries. Then
Yeah.
definitely, then definitely you will have
Yes.
one day the opportunity to move on. Because
Yes, yes.
this is the beginning for you. At the beginning itself,
Hmm.
we should not be like that. We should definitely move on
Yeah.
further.
Definitely. I've seen your videos in your channel. There are many people who are like, who have done, who are in the States, and I think like I should be like them in 5 years or so, because I just started. I
Yeah, yeah,
thought,
yeah.
what will I tell before them? Because they have a
Yeah, it's
lot of
not like that. We should not feel
yeah.
degraded ourselves. Always we have to
Not degraded. Yeah.
see,
Yeah.
everyone has unique quality, Chaitanya.
Yes, yes.
Everyone has unique quality. The thing is
Hmm.
here, for example, one person may be elevated today, but you may be elevated later.
Hmm.
The thing is
Yes,
there,
definitely. Yeah.
the the support. One thing here, the support requires the time requires
Hmm.
support,
Hmm.
the backup also. I mean to say, what we say, right? The support what where we get from the different people to elevate ourselves.
Hmm.
At the same
Yes, yes.
time, the time,
Hmm.
right time,
Time, yeah. Time decides everything,
the
yeah.
right time, right place,
Hmm.
right
Hmm.
action, and the support that
Yes.
takes us to the places. But
Hmm.
if these components are not combined, or there is
Hmm.
no combination of these components, definitely there is less chances to grow.
Hmm. Yeah,
That, uh,
yeah. Home.
that doesn't mean here we are degraded or something like that. We don't have knowledge.
No, no, no. Just take motivation from others. Yeah,
That's it.
we should take
That's it.
motivation. Yes,
Even some people
definitely.
who
Yeah.
don't have knowledge also will be elevated,
Hmm.
and who have much
Yes.
knowledge. Yeah, much knowledge
Yes,
also
yes.
cannot be elevated. So that doesn't
Yeah.
mean we don't have knowledge.
Hmm.
Knowledge is power. Definitely one day you get elevated because every time is
Yes.
not everyone's time. The time is
Yeah, yeah.
always. Now it is
May.
7,
Hmm.
8, and 9. Like it goes on every time. The
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
time decides. That's why we have to be
Yeah, and
humble and
yes,
cordial
definitely
always.
have to remember.
Mm.
Hmm. Maybe the other person definition of success may be different from my definition of success. Like if someone gets
What's your
some
definition of success?
success, what I feel is I have to be happy, sir,
That's it.
and make people around me should be
Happiness.
happy. Like
Happiness.
even if I can, yeah,
Happiness comes from money. That we have to decide first of all. Happiness comes from money
definitely,
only.
definitely.
Money is
I
important.
know this quote. Mm,
Mm.
like Shah Rukh Khan once said,
Mm.
first become rich, then become a philosopher.
That's
That
it.
stuck into my head. That is
Really,
true
because the Shah
because
Rukh Khan,
no one values you.
Yeah, Shah Rukh Khan was just he worked as you can say a server in a hotel.
Yes.
When he started his career, he started
Hmm.
his career in the hotel as a boy, and then he got
Hmm.
opportunity in TV serials and all. Then
Hmm.
destiny, what you say that
Yes.
destiny led him to the place.
Yes.
So
Yes.
of course he has
Yeah.
talent and everything okay. But
Hmm.
destiny, what happened recently? We had seen Sushant Singh also. What happened to
Yeah. Yeah.
Sushant Singh case? He is very talented fellow, but destiny doesn't
Yeah.
allow him to live.
Yes. Yes.
Because even he is 100 crores the market, he has 100 crores market
Hmm.
in the cinema industry. But destiny doesn't allow him to live.
Hmm. Yes. Yes.
So talent is different,
The,
destiny is different. Every
the
talented,
surroundings around you that affect you a lot. I feel
that's
in
important.
this case. Yeah.
The
Yeah.
every talented fellow may not reach the height. Even the person who has
Hmm.
no talent also may reach the height.
Me reach. Yeah.
That means
Yeah.
by seeing that we should not get dejected.
Yes. Yes.
We should not get dejected.
Hmm.
Just we have to be there.
Hmm.
Yes, whatever it is.
Hmm.
So my time comes one day.
Hmm.
I remember one song here.
Hmm.
Naraju Gakurama Annaya
Annaya.
Nasibu Kannaya
Uh,
Manaroju Manakundi
మనతోటి
Mannaya
పలుకుంది.
Mannaya.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's only the philosophy. We should not get
Hmm.
nervous, whatever, because we are good at everything. So why God is
Hmm.
not giving, why universe is not giving us anything? It gives. Let us be
Hmm.
positive. Let us be positive.
Yeah.
God also supports us like others do.
Mm.
That's only the thing.
Mm.
That's what Naraju
Yes,
Gakuram
yes.
Annaya. Nothing.
It's
Mana,
not your day today.
yeah,
There
one
will be
day.
one day.
One day for us
Mm.
too. Mana roju manakundi mannaya. Mannaya means accept it. Mannaya
Ah,
means accept it.
accept.
It will have a day for you. Wait for that.
Mm.
Of course, it may come. As you know that was that KFC owner.
Mm. He
So
was rejected.
he was rejected and 15, more than 15 times
Mm.
uh, he attempted suicide.
Mm.
Suicide
But
attempts also. But
yeah.
at last
Mm.
his thought and his own right, what we say, internal talent, internal
Mm.
that one made him a very
Mm.
great chef, and whatever he tasted, it is become world's famous and world's most
Yeah, yeah.
delicious food today.
No one would
See, there
are able to replicate that again.
no one knows
Mm.
who gets time at what time. Some
Mm.
people may get only at the 20s. Some people may get 30s. Some people get in
Yes.
50s. Life never ends. You Megastar Chiranjeevi, 64 years, still young.
Yeah, yeah. It's an inspiration. Yeah.
Sixty-four years.
We can, I at 21, 22 does not have that much energy
And that,
like these people have. Yeah.
oh,
They are,
his friends became
yeah.
old. His friends became old, but it's still because the energy and positive mindset definitely brings
Hmm.
us to a great position.
Yes,
There's
yes.
only one thing we have to remember. So,
Hmm.
Chaitanya, competitive world, everybody
Yes.
tries to overtake someone else. Even you are good
Hmm.
or bad, nobody cares.
Yes.
Whether Chaitanya is good or Bitla is good or bad, nobody cares.
Hmm.
Only thing is they have to overtake you. They have to be better than
Hmm.
you. Whether they are
Yes.
talented or not, no matter at all. So better,
Hmm.
just they want to be better than you. That's it. So in
Yes.
that world, how you have to survive and cope up with the people and right be with them. That is your talent. That is your task.
Hmm.
It is task only.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah.
So
Definitely.
genuinely, we can't believe anyone. The thing is here,
Yeah, yeah. Trust,
genuinely,
trust
uh,
is
the
very like
the
I don't
people
know.
the people who are very
Uh,
close to us and very close
mm,
and smile at us and okay party and all do, they may be the
mm,
backstabbers sometimes. We
yes,
can't
yes.
believe anyone in the world today. Just you have to
Mm,
speak, that's it, you're speaking.
uh,
But
mm,
whatever you speak, that may be manipulated, that may be taken into other way,
yes.
that may be
Yeah,
changing your image,
definitely.
whatever it happens.
Yeah,
So they are all, it is in the game, all in the
yeah,
game.
yeah, yeah.
So they play the
Mm,
game, they play the game. We have become puppets, but let us come
mm,
out of it. I know that.
mm,
Let us not play the game, but let us
mm.
understand their game. Okay, let them play.
Yes, yes.
Let us not play
Them
the game
play.
because
Yeah.
game players that cannot be happy. The people who play the game
Mm,
cannot be happy.
mm,
So just we have to close
mm,
them, let them play the game. No problem at all.
mm,
But thing is
mm,
only just we have to see the game. Okay, let him play. We understand it.
mm,
They're playing the game. We understand everything. But let us be calm.
mm.
Let us be calm because
Yeah.
the of course the three things: the power, money, time.
Mm.
If these three things are there, you can play anything. If you have power, you can
Yes,
play.
yes.
If you have money, you can play.
Mm,
If you have very good
mm.
time, if you have very good time, you can play. If
Yeah, yeah.
either of these three things you don't have,
Mm,
either of these three things don't have, all right,
mm.
you can't do anything. That's what power.
Yes.
Whether you must have power, power means here authoritative position.
Exactly, yeah.
Otherwise, you must have money. Okay,
Hmm.
otherwise, you must have good time. If you have good time,
Hmm.
nobody stops. No one stops you. Even
Yes.
even any of things can't stop you. So
Hmm.
that's what Chaitanya should not get dejected or feel nervous because seeing you, I feel
Yeah.
Chaitanya was very jovial and very right enthusiastic and
Eh,
a very good person indeed. But what
yeah.
happened by seeing you, I understand that that will be there, Chaitanya. No problem. That will be
Yeah.
there in any field, not only in software or somewhere else
Yeah.
or in core subject, core way.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. That one thing I understood is this, like what I'm facing right now. Even if I was in any other field, I will get the same kind of feeling.
People are there.
So it's
People
natural.
are
Yes.
there to damage your image. Remember that. People are there to damage your image. People are there to
Mm.
overtake. Even they don't deserve. People are there to
Mm.
manipulate. Even they don't have anything. So people are there in every corner of the world. This world itself is like this. You set your mind. That's over. So that is the
Yeah.
life. That's it. Other than that, we can't do anything because
Yes, yes.
slowly, you must be very luckiest person in the world. The luckiest.
Hmm.
Whatever you do, that it should go on like.
Hmm.
Otherwise, you must have right substantial money.
Yes, yes.
The other one, what I said,
Power,
hmm?
time, power
Power,
and time.
power and time. We
Hmm.
to wait for it and let us rejuvenate ourselves and move on.
Yes,
Chaitanya,
yes,
thank you so
yes.
much with
Thank
right DSP voice. Right, really, we have very good talk indeed. It has become different
you.
kind,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes,
Different kind. It has
yes.
become a chart. It's a chart, not an
Definitely.
interview.
I learned a lot. Yeah,
Not
definitely.
learning is a process, Chaitanya. That's it.
Yes, yes.
You ask your father, he will tell you many things.
Many things, children, many, many
Yeah,
things.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because the world,
I have
world,
not faced half of what he has faced,
yeah, that's what.
even half,
World,
quarter of what he has faced.
world doesn't leave anyone without testing your patience. World doesn't leave.
Yes.
That's it.
Hmm.
Whether you are good or bad, you are very good and whether very good person and of course faithful and sincere, lovable, respectable, what
Yeah.
not, very good educated, good
Hmm.
talented, whatever it is. World
Yeah.
never leaves anyone. That's it.
Yes.
That
Yes.
is in
Yes.
your mind means you'll be stronger. Otherwise,
Yes.
unnecessarily we'll be getting into right unhealthy problems.
Yeah.
Unhealthy
Yeah.
problems.
Just accept the thing as they are
That's it. That's it. You accept it.
and keep striving for your best. That's it.
Some people say you are not good. Okay, accept it. I'm not good.
Yeah. I'm
That's
not
it.
good.
Some people say
That's
yes, you are very good.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I'm good. What happens? That's
Yeah.
the thing. When the people
Nothing.
say you are not good, also you should not get dejected. And the people say you
Yeah.
are
It is.
good, okay, just feel happy and be calm. That's it.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So these are the right all.
Hmm. Yeah.
So, thank you so much for your right light side shot with me. It has become light side shot, lighter side shot. Okay. Then, thank you so much for giving your
Thank you, sir.
time for this.